Today I'm going to show you a few basic tips that will help working on your Chromebook or laptop a little bit easier. We're going to talk about hyperlinks, we're going to talk about changing tabs, and we're also going to talk about splitting our screen. So first is a hyperlink. A hyperlink is anything that any piece of text or an image that has been connected to another website. So if I look at this sheet, it says, let's do some research on UFOs. Click here to go to Kids Connect. I'm noticing that it's blue and underlined. Hyperlinks aren't always blue and underlined, but most of the time they are. So I'm going to click it, and if I'm in Google Docs or Google Slides, I'll see a little preview. So I'm going to click here, and now you'll notice that I have another tab that's open. Whatever tab I'm clicking on, that will show me which screen I am looking at. So if I go back to my sheet, my next question says, what does UFO stand for? So I'm going to go back here, find my information, and it says here that UFO is unidentified flying object. Now I could go back here and click on this tab and type it out, or I'm going to show you how to copy and paste it. So I'm going to click and highlight, and then right click and click copy. I'm going to go back here and going to click here and paste. Unidentified flying object. My next thing says click here to go to Britannica Kids. So I'm going to click here. This is another hyperlink. We'll open up another tab. Now you notice I could get a lot of tabs up here. So if I'm done with one and I want to keep this clean and organized, I can always click the X to exit out. So now let's see what my next question is. What did most of the sightings turn out to be? Well, I'll tell you what, going back and forth between two tabs is really confusing for me. So I'm going to show you how to split the screen. Sometimes this goes easily, and sometimes you might need to manipulate the screens just a little bit. So my first step is to go here and click on this restore down icon. I might have to resize it. Luckily, this came to just about half of my screen. And then I'm going to take this one and drag it over. Now I might have to do this a couple times to get it just right, but if I can get my screens that are side by side, it makes it much easier for me to go back and forth. So I noticed here, I read it somewhere, UFOs, most of them turned out to be space objects, birds, or hot gases. So with this having a split screen, it's much easier for me to get the information and document it where I need. I hope this is helpful, and have fun.